today we are going to do vermicelli rava idli. The things needed for this recipe is 1 cup of vermicelli, 1 cup of rava, then 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of grated carrot, turmeric powder needed, 1 big onion chopped, salt needed, then grated ginger. Now, curry leaves, green chilli and coriander leaves chopped. Seed wheat dal 2 spoons. Mustard seeds 2 spoons. Come, now we start the recipe. On the stove and keep the tawa in it. After the tawa heated, add 1 cup of rava we taken. Sort it well until it changes into little brown color. Now the color is changing. See, now it's ready. Now we can change it into the mixing bowl. In the same tawa, add 1 cup of vermicelli we taken. Sort it well. You can take roasted vermicelli as well as unroasted vermicelli. Sort. Now it's ready. Add this two into the mixing bowl. Mix it well. After mixing this, add 1 cup of curd we taken. It will give a nice taste to the Semia Rava idli. Now it's ready. We can pour some water in it and again mix it. Now the mixture is completely ready. Now close it with a lid and leave it for 10 minutes. Now we are going to do masala for this. For that, keep a tawa in the stove and pour 3 tablespoons of oil. We can add ghee also for this recipe. It will give a beautiful taste. Now add the seed wheat taken. Add the mustard seeds in it. Sort it well. Now the seed wheat changes into the brown color. Now add green chilli in it. Sort it well. Add curry leaves and coriander leaves in it and again sort it well. Now add onion in it. After the onion changes into brown color, we can add the grated ginger in it. Sort it well. Now we are going to add 1 cup of grated carrot in it. Again sort it well. After the carrot boil, add turmeric powder in it. Then add salt needed. Then again sort well. Mix it with the mixture. Now again add some coriander leaves for the finishing touch. Mix it well. If you need it, we can add some vegetables in it and we can do. So see, now it's completely ready. Now we can off the stove. After 10 minutes, the mixture is ready. Now we can add the masala we did in it. See, it gives a beautiful color for this recipe. Add some water in it. Now mix this mixture and masala. See, now we mixed it well. We can add some water and mix it. We can mix it. We should mix this in the consistency of idli flour. Now it is ready. Again close it with a lid and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, again mix it well. Now this mixture is completely ready to do idli. Now turn on the stove and keep the idli vessel in it. Pour some water to boil the idli. After the water heats, keep the idli plate in it. You can also use oil idli plates to do this recipe. Now keep the mixture in the idli plates. See, now it's ready. Now close it. We can keep this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wow, the idli is ready. We can check it with a spoon or needle. See. Now we can take the idli and serve it in the plate. Wow, see, we can taste it with the coconut chutney. It would be very tasty. See how the idli is. Wow. It is very soft and very tasty to eat. It would be a good snack for the child. Come, now we can taste it. We can do another chutneys like mint chutney and groundnut chutney to this recipe, but I like coconut chutney. Come, now we can taste this recipe. I am waiting for this. Wow, it's very soft. Wow, it's very tasty idli. You too try it in your home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and comment and subscribe this. Don't forget to touch the bell icon. Thank you.